Good morning, students. Last class I explained about ratio, so now I won't go for ratio this time. Directly we'll go to proportion. Proportion means here, a proportion is an equation that states the two ratios are equal. So if two ratios are equal, we can say they are in proportion. Proportion is nothing but it's equal. Okay, see here, a proportion is an equation that states that the two ratios are equal. For example, if A is to B is equal to C is to D, then we can say they both are in proportion. So if we compare first ratio and second ratio, if both the ratios are equal, we can say that they are in proportion. Understand? See, whenever two ratios are equal, they are in proportion. If they are not equal, they are not in proportion. So usually in ratio, a proportion has four terms. So here in general, this is first term, A is to B, first term, B second term, C third term, D is fourth term. This is a symbol for ratio. It is read as is as. So how to read this? A is to B, is as C is to D. Or you can read A is to B proportional to C is to D. This is a symbol for proportion. So first term and last term, that means fourth terms. These two terms are called extremes. Or you can say outer terms. So first, see, in general, in ratio, four terms. First term, second term, third term, fourth term. If first and fourth terms are called extremes or outer terms. So second and third terms are called middle term or means. Middle or means. Okay, if the product of extremes is equal to means, they are in proportion. If a product of extremes and means are not equal, they are not in proportion. Here, one example I'll take. So, example 8. 30, 45, 50, and 75. Now, here, four terms are there. 30, first term, 45, second term, then this is as proportion. 50 third term, 75 fourth term. So if first and last terms are called what? Extremes. So second and third terms are called means. Extremes means. If the product of, there are two methods are there to find whether the given terms are in proportion. So first method is, so I'll show both the method. First method, product of extremes, product of means. If both are equal, they are called what? They are in proportion. So in this question, extremes is what? 30 into 75. So if you multiply these two, then the second means is 45 and 50. If you get same product, then they are in proportion. If you get different product, they are not in proportion. So for AC here, I'll multiply 75 into 30. 0, 3 5s are 15, 1, 7 3s are 21, 22. So 2250. Now this one, if you go 0, 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, then 4 5s are 20, 21, 22. So here what we got, product of extremes is equal to product of means. Both are equal. So since they are in proportion. So here 30, 45, then 50 and 75 are in proportion because the product of extreme is equal to product of means. This is one method. One more method, cross product. Same like a fraction. If cross products are equal, they are in proportion. So here 30, 45, 50 and 75. Now here first term, this two. First and second term, 30 by 45. Third and fourth, 50 by 75. Cross multiply. Cross products are equal. So 30 and 75 one group. 45 and 50 another group. 30 into 75 and 45 into 50. If these products are equal, then they are in proportion. See how to multiply this. 5 zeros are 0, 7 threes are 15, 0, 7, 0, 21. 0, 5, 2, 2. If you go this side, 0, 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 4 5s are 20, 21, 22. So here also we got same answer. So they are in proportion. So we can find by using any method. The first method is what? Find the product of extremes and means. Second method is what? Cross product. If cross products are equal, they are in proportion. If cross products are not equal, they are not in proportion. We'll do exercise questions, then you can understand. What you should remember, proportion is what? When two ratios are equal, they are in proportion. So if product of extremes is equal to product of means, they are in proportion. You should keep those 2 points in your mind. Now we'll go exercise questions. Then you can understand clearly. First main. Yes, apply the rules of proportion and say which of these are in proportion. So first main, apply the rules of proportion and say which are in proportion. Which are in proportion. So you should apply the rules of proportion. Just now I taught you what is the rules of proportion. Find the product of extremes and find the product of means. If both are equal, they are in proportion. If both are not equal, they are not in proportion. That is one method. Another method you can go cross products of first term and second term and third term and fourth term. If they are equal, they are in proportion. Okay, now we'll go one by one, we'll do. Then you can understand very clearly. First question is 10 is to 20 and equal to 300 is to 600. So here they are given two ratio. What you should find? Apply the rules of proportion and find whether they are in proportion or not. First term, second term, third term, fourth term. Already I told first time, last term. Fourth terms are called what? Extremes. So second and third term is called what? Means. We should find the product of both. If they are equal, they are in proportion. So here, product of extremes equal to 10 and 600. 10 into 600. So multiply 2 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 ones are 6. Okay, we got it 6,000. So we'll see product of means. Product of means equal to 20 into 300. 20 into 300. 2 zeros, 2 0, 3 twos are 6,000. So here we got both are equal. Product of extreme is equal to product of means. Product of extremes equal to product of means. Since they are in proportion. Since they are means you can write this number 10, 20, 10 is to 20 equal to 300 is to 600 are in proportion. Clear? How to find whether they are in proportion or not? Multiply, find the product of first and last term. That means product of extremes and product of means. If both are equal, they are in proportion. Here what we took, this is first term, second term, third term and fourth term. First and fourth terms, 10 into 600. Second and third term, 20 into 300. That is means. So here product of extreme is 6,000. Product of means also 6,000. So the product of extreme is equal to product of means. Since they are in proportion. Clear now how to find? I'll solve few more sums. Then you can understand clearly. Now second question. Question number 2. 38 is to 76 is as or proportion. How to read this? Is as or proportion. Proportion 250 is to 500. So what you should do? You should find whether they are in proportion or not. Same method, first term and last term. That means what? You should find the product of extremes, first and last term, then middle term, second and third terms. So product of extremes first you should go product of extremes equal to first and last term. So 38 into 500. 38 into 500. So product is how much? 0, 5 8s are 40, 4 carry, 3 5s are 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So once again 2 0, 5 8s are 40, 4 carry, 3 5s are 50, 15 plus 4, 20. So 19,000 we got. Then product of means. Product of means are middle term. That means what? Second term and third term. Second term into third term 250. Now multiply this 0, 6 5s are 0. Okay, I'll multiply like this. Then it's easy. Only 2 digit you can go. 250 into 76. 760, 6 5s are 33 carry, 6 2s are 12, 13, 14, 15. So here 1 0, 7 zeros are 0, 7 5s are 35, 3, 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 17, 17. Now add this 0, 0, 0. Here this one will come here. Now 1 carry, 7, 8, 9, 1. Here also we got same. Product of extreme is equal to product of means since they are in proportion. Product of extremes, see here, product of extremes equal to product of means. So you can say that the 38 is to 76 is as 250 is to 500 are in proportion. Okay, since 38 is to 76 proportion to 250 is to 500 are in proportion. Clear now? How to find? Just multiply extremes and means. If you get same answer, same product, then they are in proportion. So in this question, first term 38, second term, last term 500. The product is 19,000. So a product of means second and third term, so 250 and 76, you will get 19,000. So product is are equal, so they are in proportion. Clear? Now third question, question number 3. $15 is to $30 equal to 200 is to 400. So this is the question. Same thing. So first term and last term, extremes, then means. So here 15 product of extremes equal to 15 into 400. Then product of means equal to 30 into 200. Now you check whether if both are equal, they are in proportion. If not, they are not in proportion. Now here 2 0, 5 4s are 20, 2 carry, 4 1s are 4, 5 6, 6,000 we got it. Now next one 2 0, so 2 zeros are 0, 3 2s are 6, 6,000. So now here both are equal. Product of extreme is equal to product of means, so they are in proportion. So you can write product of extremes is equal to product of means, so they are in proportion. Since they are in proportion, since 15 is to 30 and 200 is to 400 are in proportion. So you can write here 15 is to 30 and proportion 200 is to 400 are in proportion. Clear now? So if products are not equal, they are not in proportion. But here they are equal, so they are in proportion. Now question number 4. Fourth one. $22 is to 66 equal to 66 is to 22. 62 is to 22. Now you should check 22. Yeah, whether they are in proportion or not. First term and last term. That means extremes. Here what? Means. So here product of extremes equal to 22 into 22. First term and last term both are 22. So 22 into 22. Product of means equal to 66 into 66. 66 into 66. So we'll multiply 22 into 22. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Here 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. So now what we got? 484. 484. Now here 66 into 66. 6 6 are 36, 3 carry. 6 6 are 36, 39. 0, 6 6 are 36, 3 carry. 6 6 are 36, 37, 38, 39. 6, 15, 1 carry, 10, 11, 12, 13, 1, 4. 4,356. Here both are not equal. 486 then this. So they are not in proportion. So these numbers, these terms are what? Not in proportion. So you can write 22, 66 is to 66 is to 22 are not in proportion. Why not in proportion? Because their product are not equal. They are not in proportion. Okay, got it now. See here, product of extremes, we got it how much? 484. Product of means is what? 4356. So they both are different. They are not equal. So they are not in proportion. So you can say product of means is not equal to product of extremes. So they are not in proportion. Clear how to find? They are equal, they are in proportion. They are not equal, they are not in proportion. Now question number 5. One more sum I'll do in this main and I'll give 2 or 3 sums as homework. Now, fifth sum, 75 is to 150 is as 3 is to 18. Now see here also same. First term and fourth term, second and third terms. So product of extremes is equal to 75 into 18. Product of means equal to 150 into 3. So now here, if you multiply 75 into 18, 8 5s are 44 carry, 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 4, 60. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Now 1 5s are, 1 7s are. Now 0, 5, 13. So 1350. 1350 here. Now if you go here, you can multiply here only. 0, 3 5s are 50. 1 carry, 3 1s are 3, 4. 450. 450. Here also they both are not equal. So we can say they are not in proportion. 75 is to 150. Proportion to 3 is to 80 are not in proportion. They are not equal. They are not in proportion. Clear? They are not in proportion. 180. Yeah. They are not in proportion because product of extreme is not equal to product of mean. So they are not in proportion. So now next to mean, which of the following are in proportion? Here they are given ratio. 2 ratio, we compared 1 ratio and second ratio. And then we say whether it is proportion or not. Second one, just they are given terms. Second main, second. So now first main over, second main. Which of the following are in proportion? Okay, which of the following are in proportion? So first question, they are given like this: 4, 8, 16, 32. They are not given in ratio form, just they are given 4 terms. So that means this is first term, second term, third term, fourth term. So first term, then second term, third term and fourth term. Now you should check whether they are in proportion or not. So first and last, then second and third. So product of extremes equal to 4 into 32. Product of means equal to 8 into 16. 8 into 16. Now multiply 32 into 4. 4 2s are 8, 3 4s are 12. So we got it 128. Here 16 into 8, 6 8s are 48, 4 carry, 8 1s are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12. Yes, we got it both equal. So they are in proportion. Here you can say 4, 8, 16 and 32 are in proportion. Are in proportion. Why? Because the product of extreme is equal to product of mean. So they are in proportion. Okay. Now next question. Second one. Same heading. I won't rub this and all. Just I'll do. Yes. 12 is 12, 16, 48 and 64. Here also they are given only terms. So first term, second term, third term, fourth term. So you can go first and fourth terms are extreme, second and third terms are mean. So product of extreme is how much? Which are the number 12 into 64. Product of means is 16 into 48. So just multiply that. So 12, 64 into 12. 4 2s are 8, 6 2s are 12. Now 4 1s are 4, 6 1s are 6. So 8, 6, 7. So 768. 768. If you go this 48 into 16. 6 8s are 48, 4 carry, 6 4s are 24, 28. Now 8 1s are 8, 4 1s are 4. 8, 16, 1 carry, 4, 6, 7, 8. Check it properly once. Which are not in proportion. Somewhere we, oh yeah, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, 7 only here. Not 8. Yeah. 8 plus 8, 16, 1 carry. For 1, 2, 3, 3 plus 4 is 7. So both are equal. Here also we got 768. Now both are in proportion. So here what you can write? 12, 16, 48 and 64 are in proportion. Clear? First term and last term extremes 768. Product of means also 768. So they are in proportion. They are in proportion. So two more small sums I'll do. Then I'll go to next mean. Now here 11 is to 22. So 11, 22, 84 and 44. Okay, just I'll wrap these questions. Yeah. Now, product of extremes 11 and 44. 11 into 44. Product of means 22 into 88. Whether they are in proportion or not, we'll check. 44 into 11. 1 4s are 4, 1 4s are 4, 1 4s are 4, 1 4s are 4, 4, 8, 4. So here what we got? 484. Here 88 into 22. 4 2s are 16, 1 carry, 4 2s are 16, 17. 8 2s are 16, 1 carry, 8 2s are 16, 17. So 6, 13, 1 carry, 7, 8, 9, 1. So here we didn't get same. Both the side product of extremes and product of means are not equal. Product of extremes here. Product of extremes is not equal to here. This shows not equal. It is not equal to product of means. So since these numbers are not in proportion, 11, 22, 88 and 44 are not in proportion. Are not in proportion. Got it? How to do? How to check whether the given? So product of extremes and means, we got it 484. Product of means, we got it 1934. Both are not equal. Extremes and means, product of extremes and means are not equal. So they are not in proportion. Clear? They are not in proportion. Now, we'll go to next main. Find the missing number. Third main. So in proportion, if any one number is missing, for example, two ratios are equal, they are in proportion. If any number is missing, how to find out, I'll teach you. Here, yeah, find the x in the following. X in the following. X is missing number. That means one number is missing in ratio. You should find the value of x. See here, x is to 7, proportion to 120 is to 420. Yeah, here listen, question carefully. Here they are not given, we don't know the value of x, you should find. But they are given, they are in proportion. That means what? First ratio is equal to second ratio. First ratio is equal to second ratio. So if both are equal, what is the value of x you should find? So in fraction and all we did know. X by 7, 120 by 420. If this is 7 means what is this? We did yes or no in fraction. So in ratio how to do? One more easy method is there that I'll teach you. Now here already you know for product of extreme is equal to product of means in proportion. Here they are given, they are in proportion. So we can go directly. Now we have here x into 420 equal to 7 into 120. These two are equal. Why? Because they are given the question itself, they are equal. Now you should find the value of x. X is equal to 7 into 120. This one just to divide you will get 420. Are you understand? So now product of extremes and product of means are equal. How you know? Because the question itself they are given, they are in proportion. So here x into 420 is equal to 7 into 120. So x is equal to, you should find the value of x. So you write right side what equation is there, that you write. Left side which number we left, no, that you copy. Now simplify, 0, 0 cancel. Now both are divisible by which table? 2, 2 6 are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. Again both are divisible by 3, 3 2s are, 3 7s are. Now 7 and 7 cancel. So now the value of x is what? 2. The value of x is 2. Got it? How to simplify? The value of x is 2. Once again, I'll simplify and I'll show. See here, you should find the value of x, 7 into 120. Now this one you should take as divide. Just simplify. 2 0 0. So here 2 6 are, 2 21s are. Again both are divisible by 3 3 2s are, 3 7s are. Again 7 1s are, 7 1s are. So everything we cancel. Only 1 into 2 is left over. 2 is the answer. So value of x is equal to, value of x is equal to what? 2. Clear how to find? Still 2 more sums I'll do, then you can understand clearly. Now next question. Next one. X is to 121 equal to x is to 231. Yes. Now here, no, question is wrong. 11 is to 121 proportion to x is to 231. Yeah, in that question we found first term. Here this x you should find out. So already you know product of extreme is equal to product of means. Yes or no? Now you should first you write which value you should find this value, no? So you can write x into 121 equal to 11 into 231. Yeah, already we know both are equal because they are in proportion. So value of x is equal to, copy right side equation, then left side whatever it's there. X already we copied, this is left over. That you write down and simplify. So we both are divisible by 11. 11 ones are, 11 11s are. 11 ones are and 11 11s are 121. Now again these two are divisible by 11. 11 ones are, 11 ones are, sorry, 11 twos are 22. Remaining 1 is there, 11 ones are. So 1 into 21 gives 21. Once again, I'll show the simplification. 11 into 231 divided by 121. So here 11 11s are equal to 121. So here 11 ones are, 11 11s are. Now how many 11s are there in 231? So here 11 twos are 22, remaining 1, so 1s are. So you got it as what here? 21. So 1 into 21 gives 21. So value of x is equal to 21. In this question, value of x is equal to how much? 21. Clear? Now next, one more question I'll solve, and I'll give this an answer for homework question last week. What I gave that one, plus the today's homework I'll give. So 7 is to 24, 105 is to x. Now here in this equation, first term, last term, second term, third term. So here 7 into x is equal to 24 into 105. Now you should find the value of x. X is equal to 24 into 105 divided by 7. So here simplify. 7 ones are 7. Here 7 ones are 7. Remaining 8, 9, 10, 3. 7 5s are. So 2 into 15 gives 30. The value of x is equal to what? 30. Here I'll show again 24 into 105 by 7. 7 ones are 7. Here 7 ones are 7. Remaining 3, 35. So 7s are. 7 5s are 35. So 2 into 15 gives 30. Sorry children. Value of x is equal to 30. Clear now? I hope you all understood. One. It is not 224. One sec. Here it's not 2 into 15, 24 into 15. Sorry. 24 into 15 gives 4 5s are 22 carry, 5 2s are 10, 11, 12, 4 1s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 0, 6, 3. So the value of x is what? 360. It's not 224. Clear now? Once again I'll go. See a product of extremes, product of means. So 7 into x is equal to 24 into 105. So x is equal to 24 into 105 divided by 7. If you simplify here, you will get 15. So 24 into 15 gives 360. So the value of x is equal to 360. Okay, today's homework question I'll give. Today's homework. homework, assignment question, children. Only two sums I'll give. Which of the following are in proportion? So question number 1, 33 is to 11 equal to 133 is to 111. Then second one, 18 is to 24 equal to 15 is to 20. These two sums over. Last week what I gave, no? In that I'll give answers. So last week I gave two sums as homework. So here reduce the ratio. In that 2 years, 3 months, 2 years, 3 months, then is to 3 years, 9 months. Okay, this I gave one sum, one more sum, 2 meter, 40 centimeter and 1 meter, 44 centimeter. These two sums I have given as homework. Here 2 year, 6 months, 3 months. 2 years means what? 1 year equal to 12 months. So 2 years is equal to 2 into 12 gives 24. So here 24 plus 3 equal to how much you got? 27 is to here 3 years means 3 into 12 gives 36 plus 9 gives 39, 40, 45. So you should find ratio for 27 and 45. Both are divisible by 9. 9 threes are, 9 fives are. So what is the answer? 3 is to 5. I did short form, but you should do step by step, okay? Here, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter equal to 2 into 100, 200. 200 plus 40 equal to how much we got? 240 centimeter here. This side, 1 meter equal to 100 plus 44. 144 centimeter. Now you should find the ratio both. So 240. So I'll do it here. 240 by 144. Now here both are divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are 0. 2 sevens are 2 twos are. Again, the divisible by 2. 2 six are 0. 2 threes are 6. Remaining 1 6. Again, it is divisible by 2. 2 threes are 30. 2 ones are 2. 8s are. Again, both are divisible by 2. 2 ones are remaining 1 5 15. 2 nines are. Again, we got it 15 by 9. Both are divisible by 3. 3 fives are 3s are. So what is the answer? 5 is to 3. Further we cannot simplify. So this is the answer. Clear? These two questions are homework. This one last week what I gave, that is homework. You will get message through this one from school. Every Wednesday you should bring for correction classwork as well as homework. I'll check it. Okay. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.
Just I need it.